Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw PewDiePie, so let's get started. To draw PewDiePie, we're going to first start by drawing his face. So I'm going to come right here and draw basically the bottom of a U. I'm going to come to the other side, so about this much. It's a little bit narrow and more angular for PewDiePie's face. So I'm going to come down here. I'm going to start to angle in and connect at the bottom. And a little bit longer. So right there, go ahead and connect it. There, something like that. Okay, so now that we have this curve in, let's come back to where we started right here on the edge, and we're going to draw his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. I'm going to come right to the other side, about right there, and also draw a curve. So then come down here and draw another curve for the bottom. And let's come in here, and I'm going to connect it with a curve on both ends. So same thing over here. Okay, so then now let's go in there and make them draw cute eyes. So just 2 circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. So same thing over here. Okay, so that we have his eyes in. Let's come about right here in the center, and we're going to draw a smile for PewDiePie right here. A slight smirk and cap it off. So then from there, I'm going to imagine this is his face. So it's kind of like an oval. So I'm just going to say about right here towards the side. I'm just going to give myself a point. From this point, I'm going to bring down a curve to finish off his face. So just bring this down and connect back. And then on this side, it's going to curve for his hair. So I'm going to come down towards his eye. And I'm just going to zigzag a few strands. So maybe 2 and 3. And then let's come over here on this side now, and we're just going to swirl his hair. So from this point where you started, let's go up. It's not going to be too fluffy because he has the headphones on. So I'm just going to go ahead and connect this all the way back to here. And then we're going to add some details so it doesn't look so weird. But right here, let's come and draw the other side and bring it back down to the same area on the other side. So about right here. And just tuck it in. Okay, so now to add some details so it doesn't look so weird, let's come up, a curve, and let's see here, maybe another curve. It's always so harsh with a Sharpie, right? Looks better with a pencil. And let's just bring in this curve and finish it off, and then put in some more curves for his hair. And then right here, just add another line right there. Okay, so then now his brow, because it looks really weird now. So let's come about right here, and I'm just going to draw a soft curve. And I'm going to come in here and thicken it up. So same thing over here. Soft curve above his eye, and then just thicken it up towards the center and taper it in. There. Now it looks better, right? Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and draw his headphones. I'm going to come to the side right here in this area. I'm going to tuck in a curve. So this is going to be kind of that low. Another curve. And then another one, soft, smaller and rounder. So same thing over here. We're just going to end it about right there. So come into this area right here. Bring it in, and then another layer right there. And one more layer. There. Okay, so then now for the band part, I'm going to come above once again, both sides, and just going to curve above his head. And then there's some zebra stripes right here. So since I have a Sharpie, I'm just going to do that now really quickly. Okay, and then if you want, you can add some ears. Because I did see he had some ears on some of his thumbnails. So right here, I'm going to add a little cat ear and then another one right here. Make him extra cute, right? Okay, finally. Okay, so then I'm going to add his facial hair a little bit later. Let's draw his body first. So let's come to the center. I'll leave that for last because it's kind of scary. So let's draw his neck in the center, and then I'm going to connect it with a V. And then I'm going to come right here and just wiggle a little bit. So this is kind of like his hoodie. And then I'm going to come from this point, come out for his shoulders. So then from there, this is his shoulders coming down. Then let's imagine his armpits about right here on both sides. So from there, let's bring this down a little bit more. I'm having him wear a sweatshirt, so just a slight angle. And it's going to be pretty low. So now let's come back up here and connect it. And let's bring this all the way down. So about that much. I'll start to bring it in. But right here, I'm just going to give it a slight curve. And I'm going to give it a very light little band right here. And let's come to the center. So about right here, close to the sweatshirt. Add an angle line. And from this angle line, we're going to draw two angles that come out. So we're going to start to draw his feet. So then let's come about right here. And I'm going to start to go all the way down. I'm going to work on this leg first. So about right there, I'll start to wiggle a little bit for his jeans as we come down. And about right here, I'm going to cut it off. So same thing over here. So come towards the bottom, just wiggle a little bit. And same thing over here. There. And then now for some details, you can add some crease lines here and there. And some details, maybe a straight line, location of pockets, and now his shoes. So we're just gonna come out, flare it out, and connect. And some details, bottom, top curve, and two side curves and laces. So same thing over here. So a little bit straighter, come out and connect. There. Okay, so we have that part, and now let's draw his arms. So I'm just going to come to his side and simplify it. I'm just having his hands to his side. So sleeves are a little bit poofy, so I'm going to bring them all the way down here. A little cuff, and then his thumb and fingers. Just tuck it in. Nice and simple. Nothing too complicated. Okay, so right here, same thing, about right there. And then once again, little cuff and simplify the hand, just a little thumb, and tuck in his fingers. There. Okay, so then finally let's we're gonna draw a little let's see here, his sweatshirt, his pocket. So about right here, draw a slight curve, and then we're gonna curve it out and bring it in. You can draw some crease lines here if you like. And then he has this logo that I'm gonna draw, LWIAY. So last week I asked you. It's one of his merch items that he sells. So, but right here I'm going to start with an L. Then let's see here, W. And then I. A. And a Y. And of course I'm going to add a little heart right here because it's my Jurassic PewDiePie, right? There. Okay, so then can add some crease lines right here. And now let's draw the facial hair. Here we go. I hope I don't mess it up too badly. I'm going to give right above his mouth. I'm going to start in the center, very lightly. Okay, and then here's this little part right underneath. And it's kind of more, comes up a little bit more here. So here we go. I'm just going to randomly go all the way back up. Okay, I hope that looks okay. There, that's my attempt at drawing PewDiePie. And I hope that helps you draw him too, and it inspires you to give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. Oh, and almost forgot, sorry. I'm gonna add 100 right here. There we go, 100 million subscribers, right? So there, thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.